Alright, this video is on roof decking or roof sheathing repair. The purpose of this video is to make it more efficient for the buyer and the agent and even the contractor on getting the repairs done. We find so many damaged roofs on the attic side and so many improper repairs that I felt the need to make this video. So when we find an issue like this one or this one, the correct way to repair this is to remove the shingles from the top side, cut the board out, and replace the decking, the plywood sheathing. So that really needs to span, it has to span a minimum of 24 inches. Across 3 trusses would be ideal, but that's not always possible. So 48 inches would be ideal, but 24 minimum. And it has to be repaired from the top side. So a lot of repairs, they try to do from the bottom side, and you can't do that because there's no structural repair that can be done from the bottom side. So putting a piece of plywood or painting even, which we've seen at the bottom side, does not work. The decking has to be cut out, the shingles have to be removed, and all that has to be reinstalled. I know it's a bigger job, it's a lot more difficult, but when this is done by one of our trusted roofing contractors, we know it's done right, so they can send us photos and we can update the 4-point and the inspection report without having to revisit the property, so that we don't have to come back and do a reinspection on an improper repair and the client has to pay another reinspection fee. It's no fun for anybody. We would rather inform everyone proactively and let them know how the repair needs to be done in order to get a clean 4-point. So to avoid the reinspection fee, to avoid the time it takes to come back out and do the reinspection and get the reports updated, this is the best method. The roofing contractor needs to do the repair this way so we can update the report accordingly, and that will avoid a reinspection fee and a revisit to the property. We can also update the report typically the same day and get that over to the agent and the buyer right away so the insurance can be bound. This is a much more efficient and an effective way to do repairs. So to recap, in order to do this repair properly, the shingles have to be removed, the roof decking has to be cut out, and new decking has to be installed, and new shingles have to be installed. This is the only way to do this repair correctly. If you guys have any questions, reach out anytime. My contact information is below. I'm available. Send this video to the contractor if need be. Send them my contact information. I'd be willing to talk with them and let them know what needs to be done.